Hi everybody, Green Thumb Librarian here. Today I'm here to show you how to grow orange plants from seed. And I got some name brand navel oranges at the store at Christmas time. And I was looking for Valencia oranges because I read online that those are the only ones that have seeds in them. And to my surprise, these navel oranges, about half of them had seeds in them. Some of them had as many as 6 seeds in them. So I took the seeds and I put them inside of a baggie, inside of a wet paper towel. This one I started on December 29th. And what I did was, I cleaned off the seed, and then I took the outer covering off of each seed, and then I put them in a paper towel, and I just made sure it was just a little bit damp, and they started sprouting. I have one that did not sprout, and some of these have multiple tops on them. So now they are ready to be planted. I'm going to put them in these pots. This is actually the 3rd year that I've used these pots. I got them on Amazon. I bought 100 of them, and I don't remember what they cost, but they weren't very expensive, but they're pretty flexible and bendy. And the first one that I started to fill with soil, I dipped it down into my bag and it just crumpled. But I discovered that if I put it inside of a container that I got to plant in, a little bit more rigid, I could scoop it up, and it went really fast. So I did all of these in I filled them all in about 10 minutes. And so that's okay for now. I'm just going to take one of these little things. I try, if I can tell, I try to put the roots down and the green part up. This one I can't really tell yet, so I'm just going to put it in there sideways. Put it in there, push down a little bit, cover it up. Take another one. This one has quite a few roots on it. It does have one green part. I'm going to put it standing up. This one has 3 different tops on it. Just going to make sure that the green part is sticking up, the other part's down. I put these in this seed tray, and I filled it about half full of water earlier today. The water hasn't soaked up through yet, which makes it not so messy, and that's okay. This one still just barely has the roots, but you get the idea. This one I think is dead. I may have injured it when I started. But when I put them in the bag, I labeled it. And I put a couple of the little stickers from the oranges on there too. For my containers, I'm going to write right on here, because I've used some of these before. I got these at the Dollar Tree. These are plant labels. They come 10 in a package. But once I spray them with the hose, well, even a Sharpie will go away pretty after a while. This is navel orange. And the date I planted it, this is 1/31/20. All right, I'll continue doing that. I have this one I planted on January 7th. Let's see how it's doing. I didn't plant it, I put it in the so it has, looks like maybe one broke away. They have started to root. They're not as big though because I put them in the paper towel about a week later. Those could actually wait a little longer, but I might plant them today. Not sure. I will, once I get them all planted, I will just give them a little mist. My grandkids have been using this, so. There we go, like this. Don't want them to get too wet, don't want them to rot. Let's see what this one's doing. These were planted on the 31st, so these were ahead of those on the 7th. Look at all those. Yes, I need to. Sorry. I don't usually do close-ups like this. I need to plant these because these are getting really big. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll be putting these in this tray also. But you get the idea. I'll try and do an update later once they start to grow. And I do have a little cutie mandarin orange plant that I started. I think I started it back in July. I found 2 seeds. One of them didn't make it, but the other one did. And it's right here. So, my little cutie. I've done about 2 dozen lemon plants because whenever I get a lemon and there's a seed in it, I just can't stand to throw it away. So I've got about 20 lemon plants in my greenhouse that are in various sizes, all right? So I hope you've enjoyed this. This is the Green Thumb Librarian. I'll be doing some other videos, how-to, so I hope you'll come back to see me. Have a great day.